Hi friends, hello all. Now I'm explaining about FSMO role transfer versus seizure. How to transfer FSMO role and how to seize the FSMO roles. First, to know the FSMO roles, you should know which DC is holding which roles. You need to run a command nedum query FSMO. When you and hit this command from the command prompt or PowerShell, it will give the list of the roles which DC is holding. So now you want to bring up a new server online by decommissioning the old one. You need to perform, you need to bring up the new server online. You need to permit it as a domain controller. Then we need to, after performing all operations, we need to move the FSMO roles to the new DC. So once the DC is online, see here, if the current FSMO ready DC is online, if it is online, you need to perform transfer SOMO roles by using graphical interface or by PowerShell or from command line. Else, if the old DC is not online, you need to perform seize the roles. If it is online, just verify the roles which DC it is holding by entering the command netdom query FSMO. It will give the list of the roles. Then you perform role transfer either by using FSMO or by sorry, you, you transfer the roles by using the command graphical user interface or else PowerShell or else command line. If it is not in online, you just seize the roles. To move a roles, just you need to run a command from the PowerShell. First, you need to import the Active Directory module. Then you need to perform role transfer. Import Active Directory module. Move ED directory server operation master role. Identify the DC operation master role. Then transfer the roles which are whatever the roles you require. There are 5 roles in the FSMO: Schema Master, Domain Master, RID, Relative Identifier, PDC Emulator, and Infrastructure Master. Thank you. Here we have the PowerShell commands how to transfer FSMO roles. See, from the PowerShell, just you are clicking Import Module Active Directory. Then you are planning to transfer the roles. If you want to transfer all FSMO roles, you have to list out all roles here. See, the command is move AD directory server operation master role identity min. From which server to which server you are moving. This is the new DC, DC2. Then again operation master role. There we have to mention the roles. See, we have schema master here, domain naming master, RID master, PDC Emulator, and infrastructure master. If you want to move only PDC Emulator, see move edit directories or operation master role, identity DC2, operation master role, PDC Emulator. If you want to move RID, you have to mention here RID master role. If you want to move infrastructure master, you have to mention infrastructure master. Schema master and domain master, for the GUI level, it is different. From the GUI, first we need to register the schema master. To register schema master, reg svr32 schema management.dll to register. Then you have to open a management console mmc. There you need to active directory domain schema. See guys, here we have by using a graphical user interface. Schema Master. First, we need to register Schema REGSUR32. Register schema management.dll. Then open management console. Then add or remove snap-in. Then active directory schema. From there, we have to right-click the active directory schema. Change active directory domain controller to DC2. Right-click the active directory schema. Open operation master. Then click change. So now the schema master is changed to DC2. In the same way, we have to perform a domaining master. Open active directory domains and trust. Right click the active directory domains and trust domain. Operation master role, then click change. Then we have to perform RAD PDC infrastructure in a single way. By the way, schema master and domaining master in the first level, RAD PDC and infrastructure into the domain level. So here we can see seize the roles. How to seize the roles? See, we have to use the NTDS utility command from the PowerShell again. You need to just type the roles, then click connection, enter connections, then connect it to server DC2, then quit, then seize schema master. Whatever the roles you want to seize, just seize these roles. Please like this video if you understand it, or else let me know how brief you want this. Thank you all.